What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of enabling sleep mode on Instagram. Sleep mode helps you minimize distractions by silencing notifications, allowing for improved sleep quality and better mental health. Follow the simple steps to set it up on your mobile device. Launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. While we are in the Instagram app, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. While you are in the menu, scroll down through the menu and tap on Notifications. In the Notifications tab, look for the option labeled Quiet Mode and tap on it. In the Quiet Mode tab, tap the toggle to switch to turn on sleep mode. Specify the start and end times for sleep mode. Below these times, you will see options for the days of the week. Tap on the days to enable or disable sleep mode on specific days, as you can see in the video where I sent mine. Once you've set your desired times and days, your settings will automatically save, and by following the steps, you can easily enable sleep mode on Instagram, reducing distractions during crucial hours. This feature is beneficial for maintaining focus and improving your overall well-being. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.